AYɛ basaa yi nyina ɛyɛ bibi na ɛsɔre ti ayen ɛsisie nye mpanyinfoɔ miɛnsa ne ka wɔ mo ho bom na ɔmo kunkyire NPP party buzi adan
if you say radinam we or say I am not a god of chaos nyankopon ope order baby antokwa wo nyame mpe etu obi a wo sipo ewo wakoma mu you have the intentions of evil, intentions of mayhem, intentions of chaos. Erade ne kura ma unkodu baby awudu no. Enti erade nim. Eye se ne wama ye nyina ye hu na koma so ade. Eye se ne wama yate ase ne enti erade nso ma ne medi NPP ani mu da. Nanti wa 2024 situation ani ye womi. Situation a NDC for no more party omo ho no more ye mo adwi so mbedi bone. Not truly abusuafo nyɛ sɛ Dr. Bawumia no owini you. Truly papa na wini enti wonya mambofo a ka obɛka sɛ me de nka menya mu wonya mu no de bɛkwan ade no lusu a walusu ulusu anopa a walusu ulusu awia a walusu ulusu anajo a walusu you have lost enti Dr. Bawumia being who he is yatete no wofie coming from a home where responsibility and statesmanship ya different in kwala brem actually ne say Ghana first yes ye nyina NPP for ye mu bi wo ha NPP ne da yakoma so nanso NPP na ehye Ghana mu Ghana bo a NPP ye wo he enti Dr. Bawumia tena say yes calculation ni nyina nko beti aka say obeyi nani atwo wa lusu aso wa lusu ofa ne passport aso kwa brochire na me ne wo na ye te ha nan me nipa me man no mu passport o mu ni bi o visa kura ye ni bi mi ni bi enti ka doctor so on pre no koye ino ja e na ja to Ghana so no ne ma o mu ko
yeah also diplomatic passport
yeah yeah Kennedy when who say ya to aba e be in the day of elections or that many hotspots da okwa de enti erade nim radio kakasuri onim na kumamu asem eye out of the abundance of your heart the mouth speakers eti na nyankopon ama ye nyina ye hu ni tirimu asem nyankopon ama ye nyina ye hu na kumamu asem so on pega na yie enti yate Ghana for ate NPP delegates ate
na grounds not saying so far grounds not saying
but you're saying
so far grounds not saying what's the reaction from the delegates feedback.
Now you know, said the delegates they know Dr. Bawumia.
Yeah.
Delegates ye ni omu ye adwuma obi ani hu a wanka say Dr. Bawumia enka na brabo. Personally. Anye bia Dr. Bawumia have paid. Answer no mba delegates. Dr. Bawumia paid for all their forms. Dr. Bawumia can who be na say ye dip your friend is saying past executives nyina ba shim. And so they know him. They understand him. And no one say Ghana baby, you do baby, NPP edu no. Dr. Bawumia na beji empower. Adia Dr. Bawumia yeah ne Yewra Kennedy ka say you no anka onye. That just that singular act. When you vote say dia ma yen eda ho 41% na you could down no. Sa singular act where Dr. Bawumia yeah no. Am I another 5% da ho. If you say Ghana for adwim no, omu nim say Yewra Dr. Bawumia, he's a peaceful man.
True.
He's intelligent, he's peaceful, or dream nipa ho, or dream ye nyina ho.
Yeah.
Nyame adom onti se ya anom, nyame adom onti se Kennedy. Nyame adom. Enti yen delegates on what ase. So far there, omo ye ni omo akasa ni nyina no. They are 100% behind Dr. Bawumia. Of course, oba omo betie ye nyina ye party for. Omo betie. And say number 3 na na eko. Number 3 now because so power there number 3.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how sure are you that 31st January will win by at least 70%? On a scale of 1 to 10, how sure are you?
I would for now. So I feel they have started the real campaign, and with Bruno East so far, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it 7.
Right.
Because I feel I building momentum.
Right, thank you so much.
It's who now nim delegate to be and patch your friend. Starting in the panel in Casa. Say MPP a penny year dear Dr. Bawumia.
Right. Thank you so much, Auntie Ellen. We know you have a very, very busy schedule.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming through.
Yes,
We appreciate
we are in
and love you.
Kintampo now, so
Sure,
I'll talk
sure.
to you guys later.
And safety on the highways also as you journey all across the country. Vota is waiting for you patiently. Right. Yo, so
We'll be there soon.
yo, thank you so much. We had our brother Manuel also join us. Manuel, I'll give you 3 minutes and then we'll let Ghana Jollof and then Odefo and Mama Tina, Mami conclude for us to go. Yeah, Manuel, to say. Manuel, right. I think Manuel is with some George, ain't he? Ghana Jollof, finally, 2 minutes.
So, maybe finally, Master Man, Mekanyina, ne say, Ediache MPP delegates, any MPP for Nina. Political party be at said the medical can. We are CBB spiritual backing, Eka home. MPP for ye near ma, AYɛ Butu yina, AYɛ na sorry tia. Esisienye, penny for me and son a car woman who boom no mukunchire MPP party. Buzi adankwa dumu ne toso tere. Buzi abedi, dankwa abedi, edru domo toso tere so. Ye ni ho kwan any option. See ye di onu na esi ho because the original dombo anamu no. Wonye boni bia so mfenti ayen. Empanyimfo se ansa ne yebesi ohene ne ya na mpanyimfo ho ye wo panyini wo ho nso ye wo ohene. Ni atete ni firi nkurabrem ama na nyanyi ohene ahensu suban ewo ni mu ne ye de na kodi akonwa no. Nti ede ebiem ne ye atwen. Eye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia Sir John a wanya ne ba bi ko okan na momote ho ensamanfo kura aka asem ato ho ansa na omo ko still musimu ntie dia mimi nim de ewu ne awo pa tie biem yemfa abanoma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia enye ono ne nabusuanti but for the sake of the party said the party ne betimi age power in terms of ede amayen eye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia candidate ni ejina ni nyina amaka me say apart from Kennedy oye adwuma de ma NDC omo maka nyina ya MPP fo tere na ka Bawumia ho no omo nyina ya MPP fo nanso no prempre de ye pedu betimi age power na ma yenya ye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia esisie enye yemfa ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia number 3 o kan finfin o kan free sura o se finfin o kan free form a o se finfin nyankopon ne said that ni se finfin ho middle wono na ye unify a obetimi aka ye nyina bom o be fa sorofo aba wa fa fomfo aba na party na edija no yetimi enya nyina so agina so enu nti wode na kwoto finfin number 3 ema wure mfi toma no enye pesemi nkuminya eni wafurachi enye se na Kennedy bra me 500 Kennedy bra me 1000 wadimi ana me pa chaw menye sa 1000 ni 500 ni wan hwani no de ma no entimi nya wo hwe jine party ni homa party ni hu hiawo party no Bible si bebia wajapade wo no hono akoma wo se wo do MPP party a the 500 a onipa ne de ama wo Kennedy de be ma no any 1000 ni wan hwani ni 200 amobobbo so no enye no ene wo se wo hwe so to aba na emom no nipa ne de aminim se eyi abato de ye kwoto idie eden ya ankrofo be chiche sika abeji bi udi enye bone udi efa but for wadwene ye adwuma ne hunu se for the sake of the party sabre nipa yen ye hia no se obedi yen yanim eye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia party MPP ehia no esene se de wo no ehia ye yesremo mumie mfama no na se toda na efie da hokwa na se mpanyini nimu a yesi due mesro yemfa nsa ne nsa because ono ne betimi aboa ye party no ama yare ne power se ye pe power na se yetimi agina monkai se tumi ede ye betimi agina kwanten atowa ache di wa bra police for metata ye nche yen ya na ade se ye wo power enne se de ye chichichi ye mkola ani ye meyo mo party ni ubie wa no aha ya achi mpanyifo nyina achi untumi che abronye ede power intimidate ye members yesremo mummy ye mfa ni agoro na ye ni bresem yanchi ye party isi ho by voting for number 3 just vote for number 3 kwa na faji party ni si ho yesremo Manuel
Mida say Ghana Jollof. Ebusenfo, I always say when I see people who are outside the country and the kind of organic love they have for Dr. Mahmood Bawumia, it tells me always that I'm in the right camp. And then also, I remember my first meeting with Fajia Samira. The way these people are down to earth, I tell you, is unprecedented. And we are in the right place. Remember, coming Monday, God willing, I'll be in Accra. And I'm going to pick up a mixer. The mixer costs $2,800. I think currently, per our exchange rate, it will be around 34,000 Ghana cedis. Guess what? Someone just saw me here say, do you need a mixer? I said, why not? I need a mixer. I have some, but I need more. Say, okay, because you speak for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I'm going to ship down my mixer to you. I just bought it. I'm not using it. It's with me in the US. He paid the shipping fee, everything. Digital mixer. And this mixer, I tell you, churches in Ghana do not have it. 34,000 Ghana cedis. Why? Because of the love, organic love for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. This is somebody that does not have a party. His family and everyone there.
Network.
What was it?
I'm George.
Sorry. So we're not hearing you.
Yes,
Right.
who said this is somebody that's who's only party card and how's it?
Only party card, yeah, only party card. On your executive. You said just because you love Bawumia, take a mixer of 34,000 Ghana cedis. You cry about
the voice, the TN say. And yes, for the love, Nipano, Obi or do NPP party beer. No person party ni kwana nimbia or do Bawumia. If you say, oh, ye free, say, ye party no. Ye dono, ye free say ye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and a bit my boy party na me adi to me. It is aneti. Akoye say be a wakuma one, one we japa dewo. Nti ya ye do party no pano. Ye ne wo Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Omo mayo omo say ebegu ebegu omo ne wo adaka nti. Wo obi o Bawumia bia wo say nipa kasa. Or kasa with passion or nipa no onim ne. Oye, bibia ntimi move ye nsa nkrofo no fie enko ba bia. Because you say a party minty, the Bawumia kwa never boy. No, be a selfish interest in or fee say and Bawumia, but for the sake of the party, no, it's it any a Bawumia, no, my young yet a unique. Yeah, Bawumia, you'll be about young penasem and nuntia.
Yeah,
the voice, Enra, me university
100% right.
Me university roommate, Dinkom. Yeah, kasa na osi root grassroots omo pe Ken no na say
one mu na grassroots na ya bisa say one mu na grassroots
na me bisa say now no or refer to a post or omo post on Facebook na me ka say now hwe omo ka Ken no ko omo nyina pages na hwe omo say omo mbum ben na condemn NDC no say also what can say no say ya go and check no more yes and you know more NDC for and NDC party be
it's not my time yet, right?
I was
Manuel
calling you, but you're not coming.
I'm very sorry. I went out to do something. That's why.
No problem. Therefore, we are now being why.
Let me catch on say omo kasa ni nyina ko bia page na hwe omo nyina ya NDC for they just want easy route omo pay bia omo mbre because they are bringing new candidates and they want also to bring new candidates. But these are our new candidates in the dent one who be they will get so many things omo de beye compared to and one thing I'm noticing Ghana space now social media and say you can't send to so 99% of the people are ombeko honi na ombe believe only 1% and ombeko ko verify say asem no omo ka to so na no kra na say no kra.
You are right.
And you know, the moment that they will sell the thing out, then you have it hard to just come and say, and as a crowd won't say, these are the people at NDC. These are the kind of NDC. Or more, you say, then they will propagate Ken. Say, Yamfa Kembra, they came back. Then they will have so many issues. No more can, didn't matter. Your communities, they're front of people who are arrogant. Our community, you're almost from on people who are arrogant. They're front on arrogance. And I won't. Me, hear me. And this is when you see.
Therefore, I lost you. I don't have a network.
Hey, your network.
I'm George Christ saying.
me the voice me hear me enti say wo sika e na wo do sika e be front wo manima I think say enye okay ma me no won and the voice oh yeah ira o timen ah
We the
Oh,
man
the
no,
voice
Sam
you
Giorgio. So I
know,
connected back to the Wi-Fi. Sorry about that.
Manuel Kasana.
Mama,
yeah
no, Kasana.
what the
Yes,
manuel
yes,
Manuel
sorry.
kasa
na
o
umu
kasa
ya
ria
di na bema.
Yeah, me that say Ghana Jollof
Man, no,
meet
4
ya.
minutes. I mean,
Mejo
pause.
so bema na.
We are okodi.
Adum na so eh.
Nyankopon
The
do
future
mahwe.
leaders of the party. Aye. Na the
Ghana
future
Jollof
leaders.
Inshallah.
Ghana Ghana Jollof go me o se me NDC ni
How therefore, amu kasa no man kadi yesana. Eya muntinsi muntem.
All right. Me that say meet you be biara therefore ne I think mama T meet you be na me bra penny voice meet ya
Pacho.
meet ya
Pacho.
meet you be biara.
So yeah, just
So me taking me conversation from as semi so as some few days near a big crash as here a big crash that was yesterday. But everyone want say afi NDC former better the mouthpiece of Kennedy Japan. I'm very sure. On my better the mouthpiece of Kennedy Japan. Oko platform be also now you are making your point. It seems they are always defending Kennedy. And now me ever let's say me call one of the TV stations, and then I made my point, and now I my point in against Kennedy, and then the you can say NDC Nino can ya catch a castle baby and pemper so I got a dream ye obi to say Kennedy Japan no abedi or mine him. Ain't me busano after making the submission you and busan saying to who NDC ni oka say me say NPP ye toma Kennedy Japan obeto manana or say some me NDC ni intimate ntoma no and I'm saying anya wo aso na wo say ye obi to say ono if you tell me say ye obi to say ono and then yade de naba toma na wo say there be me ntoma no na me so mo me candidate dada so it should clearly tell you say it's not at the Pebian or more per edema MPP for Debbie. They just want one opportunity to see a dinner beba. Once somebody in the beba, no more compiling it videos in the BB out to hold the data. Omode pem no. I saw for the journalists for the why you more like everybody. Near employees. Or them more on TV nina. They are ready to show that to Ghanaians during the campaign. Ain't a very easy route, ma NDC should we vote for Kennedy Japan. And then as a conversation be a course from yesterday basically and they say Bawumia he or did to move in term na eno affect ye na eyo Kennedy na nka on din tuma say yisi abekasa mesre o mijina ho da ne me kan say mijina ho ada na say madafo mada ni nyina nyenda at the end of the day ayenda say ujitum say we lucy before isi abe declare na say wo twen say isi abe declare still worry. And yeah, Mimi say where I worked during the campaign, no, I was privileged to the result because in Pempensobi by 10 p.m. 7th December, 10 p.m. we knew that we've lost. 10 p.m. 7th December. We're told say and Koye. So Bawumia knew say he has to because we have the system to collect our result before NDC for because we say about out Raka say Bawumia ebe consider you know. NDC for so omo train because omo tally omo die that should tell you advance NPP advance kodum pempensobi by 10 we collected our result we knew that we've lost enti Bawumia yes had to make sure say the tension and the work no abafom nkwasiafo NDC for di nanka isi for be declare cry after they would have done the same thing because I had on my planning. It was something that they've planned. So my question to Hon Ken for no crown say in 2016, any MPP for Yambe declare who winners. If voice okay, 2016 we came out to declare ourselves winners before ECAPA Beka say ye winning. And then by then so young complaining. Question person me busa Ken for no so say And he said, Omudin Kunimuswa, would they come out and say it before EC abe declare? And I know some better EC, say EC be declare, so my Germany.
Papa just saw a patapa appear to
And miss another question, so Bibu Somo say, Bawumia Ebeka say, ma consider defeat.
Okasamo, the voice, and that
Hey, no. Me mix anante. Mano,
Okay.
funny thing they say. This is the same Kennedy that didn't wait for the EC to come and say he will give Akufo-Addo and Bawumia a showdown.
Exactly. Exactly. So the issue is voice that me buso almost be say Bawumia be consider defeat no. Did it change any polling station results ana?
Yeah.
And change the polling station results.
Yeah.
So where from this back and forth? Because binim say ade collation a polling station results.
Yeah.
And yet early concession there be. So if I've considered defeat early, how did it affect the polling station results in all these 276 constituencies? Once it's
MP3 now agent too.
exactly, you had your pink sheets, and then you can say and Jane Adukwe Mensa and they declare parliamentary almost declare at the district level.
Yeah.
Not presidential, almost declare at the national level. So I am not. Debbie, I try very hard to marry these two things about me. I concede early, no. Say people argue so maybe Kwasi Asema NDC for D, you know, and I'm say some Kwasi Asema
West, my brother.
Yes, one Kwasi Asema NDC for D, and Nanka ye train your point is like it could have been an extent like you can say a postponed foolishness because Nanka Bawumia Ambeji and Tuma EC declared they will still do it.
Yeah.
Because it was a planned thing.
In fact, they wouldn't have waited for the EC to declare.
No.
Water region, they started attacking buildings, even that's a 7.
Just look at this. Okay, Mohon almost started on the 7th.
Yes.
Bawumia conceded on the 8th. On the 8th. So
and this is first started Jimmy, 7th now in Umri and Najono from water region.
Yes. So now we ask ourselves, Bawumia be early concession or DNA. Ebua or mine, I think one of these international bodies say, is it one of these international ever commending? They say, why are there?
Oh, yes.
What share like to say, Obia or Donny mine?
Yeah, Global Election Watch or commended him. Yeah.
And then me Auntie Ellen Eka Simbi. On and then onos patapana na ken sin kayo no anko de beba no. Ono if ka BBC okrom ha or one passport or beko. Ne yere ne mba na beko. Thank you. Menewo, we don't have it. Do you know that after the election, we were asked not to go to TV and radio for I think 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Yes, because of what
I
the
was
NDC...
in my room, locked down in my room.
Yes. So that should tell you, say, it's not an early concession of you can't say what's the name? Bawumia. No, it has nothing to do with it. Let me tell you the truth. I saw for Bimpa Mokasati Bawumia.
Yeah.
Because of his early concession, I remember one of the pastors about okay, now say cried one of the I think Clement Krabeka said, I did about me, you know. Yeah. No, even with apology, no cry. Say apology, no, spiritual realms, no, Adani Bibi. I didn't know. There was one pastor B or a gun. I think he's a gun
I think is it Abraham Lamte? I think Abraham Lamte.
Maybe him. Because I did about me, you know. Yes. You see, that's how yen patapani edibu mayu. Patapani edibu my kone nimwa. Nanka Rollins ka the Ghana ko enim. Ka patapani ma or mine ko enim Nanka Rollins, a military officer. A obia we deep soldier be di democracy. Nanka ono de Ghana ko enim sin obia. And now you know sometimes we see people, we see humility to be timidity. Bawumia is never timid. Bawumia is humble. But he's never timid. That's one thing that we have to know. He's very fair.
Supreme Court defending the party timid.
Yes. So that's one thing that people conform in here. Jumaka Debia say, or you'll be or say you say you have to go through and make sure so why.
Yeah.
And even time no Coco filing anyway, you know, he made a statement say more underrated no say because he is cool ninty. I say to me out Debbie. nkrofo kro mo ye kunu kwa na wo se usuro mo de bia.
It's a fear water body that does not show any waves on the surface. It is.
And now penifo kro e baby kro mo say insuo hia mfa nipa. Eye insuo nwunu na fa nipa.
Yeah.
Insuo ota ho na ye hye no. Insuo ye hye mfa nipa. By insuo nwunu na fa nipa. So people shouldn't mistake his humility to be timidity. And voice. Let me add this thing, and then I think I can come to with the idea. So we must say yes, sir, because of the election defeat. I don't know person me the voice. When we come to the year 1992, represented Edu Buahin. Edu Buahin lost with a margin of 1.1 million.
Thank you, boss. 1.1
million in 1992. Fast forward. In 1996, we changed the candidate. Yes, a candidate. And Eddie Kufuor buyer. When these people are making arguments, almost Kufuor increased in votes.
But do you know that even before then, according to statistics, that 1.1 million in 1992, no?
Yeah.
It represents about 3.2 million in today's term.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
He has come up with.
Thank you very much. So he lost by 1.1 in 1996 after changing candidate. Do you know that even though Kufuor increased in votes, he lost by 2.3 million?
Yeah.
So which means though Kufuor increased in votes, Rawlings equally increased in votes.
Yeah.
So the argument that Kufuor increased, then come to the percentage. Kufuor lost by 1.3 million. Did we change him?
No.
We never changed him because we realized the mistake of 1992. That changing a candidate might cost us a lot because you need to come and you need to market the candidate. You need to make sure that he's now being accepted by the people. So we took a stance that yes, it's a candidate. We presented the same candidate in 2000, and you know the surprise that happened. He won by 800,000 votes from a deficit of 1.3 million to a surplus of 800,000. So
that's about 2.1 million votes added.
Yes, within 4 years.
Yeah.
So ask yourself, what did Kufuor do in 2000? The NPP was consistent. Yes, a candidate. You realize the change of candidates and see maintaining candidate. And you know the funny thing is like history repeating itself. Because in 1996, we were having this same small parliament number in parliament, just like we have it now.
Micro nano minority.
Thank you. And we also maintained the album that elected Kufuor.
Oh, really?
Yes, we never changed it. Because I think the next year, and you call to Abano for another kind of saying presidential election. Kufuor said
yeah.
And then the next time we won. So it's like history repeating itself.
But
now
there's nothing new under the sun.
There is nothing new under the sun. So we should just maintain history that happened and just look at the presidency of Kufuor.
Na mebra me paucho me fa kakranche wudi ezu. Kufuor kwa no 2000 no. Nya okọ first yina no.
Yes, he won on the second.
Second round.
Yes.
CPP for the both CPP, PS different parties ni na be support ye.
Yes.
And Saje win is 2000.
Yes.
Say no kwa mon kanka because na nya better.
Exactly.
Kufuor second round na nya better. Say different parties ni na ambe joining the kwampa be yedi.
It's true.
So be kaya Kufuor pencil in a PNC man or man sports minister mo or sisi ka kwai de wo eyi brain muma ye che no.
Yeah.
Na pa kwesi ndumi o si ye nja no. Kufuor time no be the minister of energy. CPP.
Yeah, I remember he was given a ministerial appointment.
Synergy.
No, I think it was roads. Anna, it was roads.
Yes, I think it was.
One
Indum, yes.
I am minister of energy.
I need to check
it.
Okay, because I know of roads, but I'll check it. Let's check it.
Okay.
All right. So,
thank you, Mommy.
Concluding it, when we even look at history has taught us a lesson. Let's follow, because voice. Bawumia is a very the reason I'm following Bawumia is because of his innovative mind, his creativity. Or you'll be a here no pempe, so it's on your man. He will transform me. I just like his transformational ideas. We just want so bedif me say Bawumia be mampeni wo memuha. Odin the 8 years, yes, it's a constitution. Because we will love his presidency.
Like Roosevelt in US.
We will love his presidency. Mame nkasa bebre na obi sunya kwan brem. Me da say.
Yo, Mano, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming through, Charlie. I think I've loved the ending of the show. I've loved it so much. Yes, Auntie Abena, 4 minutes now. Auntie Tina.
Why you mean to me, you? Yes, I feel on marriage a type 1,000, no.
No problem.
This month, my screenshot for where you know what.
Feel free, mommy. Feel free, mommy.
Me dear kakra meka no me brothers ndo my ade pa me obi be say school ni yankwa ankoche nti me so sebe me dear kakra ne say ti say dia wo kana nti me nkasa kufo be second term me say kufo mpo be third term asa omi because second round no fair or twice second one no call by no
quick addition say Pakwesindum was Minister of Energy and Public Sector Reforms.
Because me kai pa kufa
so you are right.
Me say man go school and go bet me di bibi to me.
Mommy. I think over you samba.
That time no 2000 na kufo be win. When okọ ne second na yikwa pa me bra anko bete sama no. Ono ko nya 49 point something. Warren Sam penny. Also on penny, but in Ghana for a fed up or NDC. It's about say different parties for now your man who didn't best support it Kufo because of move 2%. No more the baby best support Kufo there 49 now. When yano net omudi 2 NDC 4. Whoa, it's Kufo by and so when one damage ram and then a parkway sindu Kufo train the back NPP. So that time the NPP chairman ya way fishy. Freddie Bray, no Axim was side, baby. No, so that time you see people no the best share. MPP, Emma President Kufo, also money post, PNC Kube, Satan no a PNC Kube. Also bed joining into Satan PNC for Omunya 3 seats or so, parliament. In a CPP near 2. Freddie Bray and Parkway Sindu. When we na buy the president Kufo be come na di share na yi no mo bia ayi but Parkway Sindu ono ne person kunya ne ayi ahomma so sunsun na odu baby a oye de oda na chi ono krampo obe Parkway Sindu mu enam president Kufo so no ma Parkway Sindu ebe ye Parkway Sindu iti me de American ne say doctor no oye obi obre ne ho ase no kitenim de who said Ghana man to see a baby edunu, or just a yenny obi a sedu, or where enim deal bet me Eddie or mana cockine. See a Ghana, if you are sitting in a year cock, almost a baby technology, my money are more fine cherry. Well, or baby disaster, see the whole world or be a move costa piano. Won't it won't be the beer yanka, me could do it for her, cocoa ni baye, me could do body or her, Dodian Benini, me defertilize. No, I want me say, Nina, you're fine. A man or man, the pet. Better, if you are say so, what's the son or what's the son? Won't, see, I mean, you can say, Debia make us say, Nanado, Eba, a face HS, Eba, or 90s no more. In can real school, no come to us. So what you say? Me real school 91. But it's that time Roaring Star or the JSS by any second batch for ye real school start time. No. So now on name say mommy see candy woman and pay for no invest a bill call Paulini a yinomni identity. It went to and for me and chiaso. So that time none another person or obey free education. In Camebra, say be great them in yayen, ne and ya grandpa ne 25. Met me their community, my nama bon, who goes to Nana wants to 25 a day. Me a sure says then that 25
and then profit me 14 in a
yeah, me 25. Won't, but and says, that time no who chase it, we yes, won't. It's Say MPP abana baso to me wa medication e koso enimdi hwe doctor ba hwe nyama bebre omudi bewura education system nimu won obecheche nyama asabia ande obi wa abrochi kosi obehwe the way a drone otumi for blood edikon grass nkra when I just say o man ye koyenim ti me dia me patch wan say delegate for no mumbie mo ni because see aha na ye nyina ye wodo system na ye di ye adwuma system miss maybe asanyam kwala me won wo han ko do sometime bia me ho chi me wo ha papa na han so kra pa nye English German a different language kra wo enti kasa bi wom na say me nya letter bi a chi say me translate the ko English so nya ni na na o mebra me to me ka we ade no enti me de bia me ka o man ni ye na ye nyina ye pe wo ti doctor ni obi a said hu so oba Ghana papa na ade bote papa pass na enu so o pese odi o man ni move na nya se said bia obi a we ni to ye hye obi a wo kikap ano no chese wo bu o man police sister wo de betu ekwema bema se bi youth for no ana se binum benya ho mfaso wo na metin se na wo bi se ye maami se obi o se ono anke ye to aba no nka on declare se ebia wajatu sadia na doctor ye no the whole world obia respect Dr. Bawumia sadia na Dr. Bawumia ye to abewie no tumi ba out ba kan woni mi se Ghana asofo no krampo gina o man so de me bo doctor echi se wa ya de papa doctor respecting him papa obia na okanfo no won obia se doctor ayade because of sadia na oyeye yin pasa na o che so opia asumdwe onpe etutu asembia because ata na ye wo akwantwom ya na makoma eti ti se yin pa na baka no kwa so yare sa na makoma na eti no mehu bebia me de maadwen be ye de beto wo se menka nti nko fansha ne ho no ntete ye na ye wo akwantwom ya akoma kosi time yisin baba be ye ebe declare say we na enwi ni a we ni nti no doctor jasa ade na oye ne de me bona so because asofo bebre the whole world o man panyifo bebre ebo na abaso say ade na oye ye no o de asomdwe de aba Ghana pa nti enyimpa ba akwa open to me de on de saa na obaka nti mo ma yanja na saa because wa mo hwa ya bo de ye ntumum ye ya na hwia onye ye nti mo de mu nja no the whole world nko papa said ade oyeye no waya de papa ma no ato
oh me da say Auntie Abuna excellent communication all the way from Germany and this is what we're talking about. Finally the president of Accounts Unite is here and let's have it and then let's close. Accounts Unite.
Your president the ADSM man about